Hi everybody, welcome back to Cedar Creek RC. It's John here. Sorry, distracted, looking outside. The Bronco's done. I haven't got any body because bodies are expensive, but I kind of like the way this one looks. It's going to be all new underneath and rough on the outside. I like that. I would rather have a new body, but I'm going to try to use this body for as long as I can because new bodies are expensive. We'll go over the body. You've seen pretty much all the inside. I'll show you the wheels and tires. We'll get up close with those. We're going to take it out running, just check functionality, make sure everything works, see how much fun we can have. This was a really fun build. It was really dirty. As you saw, I stripped it down to all the nuts and bolts, cleaned it all up, got it put back together, and it's running. So I'm happy about that. But let's flip the camera, go over the body, the wheels and tires, and I'll get the running video, and then we'll be back. All right, everybody. I'm trying to do this and hold my phone. We've got to zoom out. But this is the body. You can see it's scratched up, it's beat up. I've thought about working in some brown and making it look rusty. But the body is rough. I did convert it to a clipless system. But you can see it's scratched up and beat up. So I guess that's good because I don't have to worry about scratching it on my own. But I did convert it to the clipless system. You can see I did a lot of work getting this cleaned up. So super happy about that. I mean, it kind of almost looks new. There's a few spots that didn't get perfectly clean. My microphone keeps falling over because it's on a short link. But, and I'm doing this all one-handed. But there's the back. Like I said, I've thought about putting some brown, like rust stuff in there to make it look good. I got new diff covers. But yeah, overall it's pretty clean. Looks like I missed a spot right there though. But I'm really happy with it. As far as wheels and tires go, I got these off Amazon. I'll try to remember to post a link. I do have some stock wheels and tires, but these are aluminum bead locks, and I think they look pretty good on here. And I got the Traxxas, I'm not sure how to say it, precipice tires. They are 4.19 by, nope, 1.9 by 4.75, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but they're not bad tires at all. I really like the Traxxas stuff. But that's it for now. I'm gonna get some running footage. We'll go over all that. And I guess that's it for this part of the video. But yeah, I'm gonna get some running video of it and see how everything works. All right, guys, we're out testing. Clearly high speed works. And low speed is working. everybody, well, we're back. It's a few days later. As you can see, I have on a different shirt. I forgot to record the outro for the Bronco, but it did really well. Lockers and everything worked great. Still trying to figure out this camera setup thing. Really happy with the way it turned out. It took a lot of time. It was pretty dirty when I first got it, but zoom in close up. But I'm happy with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or sell it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I really liked it. It was a fun project. Next project's probably not going to be as long or as many weeks, and it's going to be smaller, and it's kind of a restoration as well. But we'll get all that done. I appreciate everybody watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment down below with how you think this whole build turned out. Maybe someday if I do keep it, I'll be able to get me another body for it. But in the meantime, everybody stay safe and have a great day.